When it comes to email conversion, you need a reliable tool that allows accurate email item conversions without changing any message content or making your attachments inaccessible. In this video, I will show you a powerful tool, Kernel OST Converter Pro, that uses advanced algorithms to convert your OST files into multiple formats with 100% data integrity. Since I am making this video, I already have it installed. You can download and install the tool from the link given in the description. Now let's begin the OST file conversion. Open the OST Converter Pro. To add the OST file for conversion, click on the Add Source button. Then, click on the first Browse button to select the OST file from your system. However, in case you do not know the exact location of the OST file, click on the second Browse button. Select any folder or drive and click OK. The tool will scan and list all the OST files available in that folder. Since I know where my OST files are, I will go with the earlier file selection option. In the File Explorer window, go to the location where the OST file is located. You can select single or multiple OST files as per your needs. I am selecting only a single OST file, then click Open, and finally click the Add Files button to add the file to the tool. All the folders from the OST file will be listed in the left pane. Click on any folder to view the emails inside. On the right side window, the tool previews the email content in the original format. To start the conversion, select the folders you want to convert. You can either select all the folders or do a selective conversion. I will be converting only the inbox folder. The tool also allows you to extract and export the OST files. To extract items, click on the Extract button and choose the Attachments or Email Addresses option. To start OST conversion, click Export. You can save the OST file into PST, MBOX, PDF, EML, and other formats. Select the output format you want. I want to convert OST to PST, so I will leave it as it is. If you choose PST, the tool gives you an option to split the PST file based on size. This helps to avoid the risk of mailbox corruption. Furthermore, you have the option to skip the empty folders, generate a log file, and automatically open the output folder after conversion. The tool also provides a date filter to convert emails only between a date range. Click the From checkbox and pick the starting date. Then click the To checkbox to select the end date. I will be skipping this option since I don't need it right now. Finally, click the Browse button and choose where you want to save the output PST file and click OK. Then click Export to start the conversion. OST to PST conversion has started. When the process is completed, you will get the Export Completed message. Click Done to end the process. The tool will automatically open the folder where the PST file is saved. Open the folder and view your converted file. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to check out the official website to know more about the software.